Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and continue working on the Jeep. Finally gonna get to the door panels. So the panel bond finally came in, and we're gonna finally start to work on the Jeep. It took about probably about a week, almost 2 weeks for it to finally come in, and it's here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start working on it again. These panels finally bonded to the actual vehicle itself. Let's see what we got here. So we got the gun. Let's see here, panel bond. We got 2 of those in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and start to stick these panels on. First, let's go ahead and mark where these panels are. And then on the inside, I have about an inch brim that goes around the whole of the doors itself. So I'm gonna mark those, and then I'm gonna grind down the paint and get it down to bare metal in order to hold the panel securely to the car itself, where it's not on top of paint, and the paint won't peel up along with the panel. So let's go ahead and prep that up and get that ready to go. All right, so we got it knocked out. The paint is now dissipated from the surrounding areas. And yeah, so next thing to do is go ahead and prep the epoxy gun to go ahead and shoot some epoxy out. What I'm gonna do is do a skim coat over this bare metal, so I don't have no exposed metal. I'm just gonna skim it probably a little bit past the cut line, and then I'll go ahead and run a bead along the panel and stick it on using the clips, and then go ahead and secure it with some clamps and let it set dry. I'm going to work on door by door daily because the island tends to rain sporadically. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this driver door first. Let that set dry probably for the rest of the day. And then tomorrow we'll jump on that door, so on and so on. Hopefully it doesn't take 4 days to do, but gotta do it piece by piece. As long as I can get it done, that's the main thing. Let's go. All right, so we finally got everything bonded onto the vehicle. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start working on the quarter panels, but got a couple things that I have to do on this panel here before I move on. I was going to install the door handles or the door popper handles, which goes underneath here. It's gonna be in the little pocket underneath the little hideaway, tucked away underneath. Those will be installed in the next video. So I got alignment issues with the body. Got a little dip right there in the middle. That'll be corrected during the body work phase. But yeah, everything is finally on. So that will allow me to go ahead and start doing the other parts. I didn't get to this panel here, which is I ran out of panel bond, so I'll get some more later and do that off camera. So, but everything is looking good. All the lines on this side are damn near perfect. So that'll allow me to go ahead and continue working towards the rear. Got a few issues that I have to fix. Of course, this was already known before I even put on the kit, that I will have to cut out a notch here and recess this area here so the door could open fully. And I guess the door will sit inside here. And then I'll figure out a way to allow the door to pass without interfering with the fiberglass. Probably have like a little door that pops out with the door. That's the idea. And just continue the panel to the back. Same with the front. Got a little interference right here by the fender. This pocket, everything was open up, but it won't open up fully. So I'll try to figure out a way for me to get around that too. So, but yeah, so far so good. Moving on, getting there, stitching everything together, piece by piece, and just gonna go ahead and end this video right here. So if you enjoyed this segment of the episode or this series of this build, which has been a long haul so far, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All materials used on this are down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out and hit up the store, man, and help me out. So check you next time on the next video. Peace.